You recording? Hey, I'm Dr. Kenji Ehrlich, the good chiropractor. Welcome to my office. Today we'll be working on April, and what we're doing with here is realigning her spine. We have some digitized x-rays up on the screen here, and we have all our notes here digitally in the computer to let me know exactly how we adjust her. Looks like she gets supine cervical anteriority and a right lumbar. This is found out from an examination that we did according to the x-rays, and her misalignment's causing her problems. We want to get her in shape for, I believe, ski season is her goal written there. Okay, so turn the head for me now. Other direction, back to the center. Okay, so what we're going to do here is go ahead and lie on your side, facing me this way. There you go, this goes right under your head. You've been here before, right? Okay, no.
You actually got me ski season ready already. Now
Oh, yeah? Okay, good.
You're keeping me ski season ready.
All right, let the shoulder. There you go, on your back now. Water skiing is next.
Yeah.
We have this now, and this is her favorite one. And what we're doing here is called the thoracics, and this is from stress and tension. Oh, take a look at that. The face there. That's what you want to see is the reaction. Good. And then what we got to do is she has some postural deficiencies where the head is actually going forward, so we do special adjustments to try to put some more curve into the neck, taking pressure off these shoulders here. So right shoulder's relaxed. This is very gentle, even though it looks very barbaric. Let it go. Yeah. That's perfect. Let me see both your arms now. Resist. Push. And those feel strong. Yeah, you're all tuned up. Thanks for coming.